Hello everyone and welcome to the video. Today, we're diving into a topic that might not be the most exciting, but it's absolutely critical. How to get a quote for life insurance for your family in 2024. Life is unpredictable, and securing your family's financial future should be a top priority. So, let's not waste any more time and get right into it. Let's start with the basics. First off, let's demystify what life insurance actually is. At its core, life insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay a monthly or yearly premium, and in return, the insurance company promises to provide a lump sum payment to your beneficiaries in the event of your death. There are various types of life insurance, like term life, whole life, and universal life, each with its own set of pros and cons. Term life is generally cheaper, but only covers you for a set period. Whole and universal life are more expensive, but offer more features like a cash value component. So why do you need a quote? Getting a quote is your first step in this journey. This is an estimate provided by the insurance company based on several factors like your age, health, lifestyle, and the coverage you're interested in. The quote will give you a ballpark figure of how much you'll be expected to pay in premiums. And trust me, you don't want to lock yourself into a policy only to find out it's out of your budget. So, doing the initial research. Before reaching out to get quotes, it's essential to do some homework. Know the answers to questions like, how much coverage do you need? How long should the term be if you're going for term life insurance? Do you have any existing medical conditions? This will not only speed up the process, but will also help you understand if a quote is reasonable or not. Search for quotes. Online aggregators, websites that compare various life insurance products, are a good place to start. Just fill in the required information and voila, you get a list of quotes from different providers. Direct from the insurer. You can also go to the insurer's website and fill out an application for a quote. This is often more accurate but slightly time consuming. Or through a broker. If you prefer a human touch, insurance brokers can offer personalized advice. They'll gather quotes from multiple companies for you, but remember, they might charge for their service. Local agents, similar to brokers but generally represent a single insurance company. They can offer quotes and guide you through the options available from their company. Factors affecting quotes. Remember, the quote you get depends on multiple variables. Age is a significant one. The younger you are, the cheaper your premiums will generally be. Your medical history is another big factor. Insurers will even request medical examinations in some cases. Lifestyle choices like smoking can drastically affect your quote. By this point, you should have a better understanding of how to approach getting a life insurance quote for your family. It's a crucial step in financial planning, one that shouldn't be taken lightly. Reviewing your quotes. So you've gathered some quotes. Now what? It's crucial to understand that the cheapest option isn't necessarily the best. Look at the details such as policies, features, exclusions, and add-ons. Often policies with slightly higher premiums offer much more comprehensive coverage. You'll want to strike balance between affordability and adequate protection for your family. Negotiating the quote. Yes, you heard that right. Quotes are generally negotiable, particularly when you are dealing with an agent or a broker. Feel free to discuss your budget constraints or ask if certain medical conditions or lifestyle choices have disproportionately affected your quote. Sometimes insurers are willing to adjust the premiums or offer discounts based on your situation. Additional riders. Life insurance policies often come with optional riders or add-ons like accidental death benefits, child riders, or spousal riders. While these add to the cost, they also tailor the policy to your specific needs. So make sure you ask about these when reviewing your quotes. Family policies. If you're looking to cover your entire family, there are family policies available that might be more cost-effective. These policies cover the policyholder, spouse, and sometimes dependent children under one umbrella policy. Do ask for quotes on family policies and compare them to individual policies for each family member. Application process. Once you've chosen a quote that suits you, the next step is the application process. You'll usually need to fill out a detailed application form and often undergo a medical examination. This is a formal procedure where the insurer verifies all the information provided. Once approved, you'll receive your policy document and then you'll begin your premium payments. Periodic review. Finally, a word on maintenance. Life changes, salaries increase, families grow, health declines, and your insurance needs will change accordingly. Make a habit to review your life insurance policy every few years to make sure it still meets your family's needs. If not, you can always get new quotes and switch or upgrade your policy. And finally, closing remarks. Alright, folks, that brings us to the end of this comprehensive guide on how to get a quote for life insurance for your family in 2024. It's not the most thrilling subject, but it's one of those adulting necessities that you can't ignore. Your family's future could depend on the decisions you make today, so make them wisely. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Stay safe and take care.